Hello, this is Brandon with the Full Stack, and we are going to be installing VSCODE into the Mac OS. So let's bring up Safari. Let's do a search for VSCODE install Mac OS. We should get our first entry up here, should do the trick. Download for the Mac, double click on the download, drag VS Code to the application folder, making available in the Launchpad, add VS Code to your dock. So let's do this. All right, so we're going to download it. Download Mac OS. Let's go back a couple of steps and let's make sure we get all this done. So double click on the archive. Here we go. So Mac's going to do its thing. Open. Little getting started message. You can go through this as you want. It's basically telling us that VS Code can be used for all these different languages and has all these different features: Prettier, ESLint, Python support. It's a really great tool. So let's go ahead and close our VS Code, get up our Finder, go to Downloads, VS Code, and let's drag this over to Applications. Let's check our Launchpad. And here we go. Let's open it back up. And then keep it in our dock. And voila. So in future videos, we're going to be using Visual Studio Code extensively. And we will explore its vast features and leverage it for building our full stack applications. This is the Full Stack. Thank you, like and subscribe, and we will see you soon. Thanks. Bye.